Plot stamps are a great way to document important details about your plan sheets, such as who last plotted a drawing, where it's saved so you can make updates to it in the future, and more. Now, Autocad provides several ways to actually accomplish this, but fields are perhaps one of the easiest and most versatile of these methods. To get started with fields, all I need to do is add a piece of multi-line text to my drawing. Now, to ensure that my plot stamp is included on every sheet in my plan set, I have added this piece of multi-line text to my actual title block inside of Autocad. So what I'm going to do here is simply come up here to the Contextual Text Editor ribbon tab. Under the Insert panel, you'll find a Field button. Now, with AutoCAD fields, we can report on all sorts of information about my drawings, but for our purposes, for a plot stamp, what I'm most interested in is to understand where a drawing is saved and information about when it was last plotted. So to get started, I'm going to navigate to the Document Field category, and among the options that I will have here include File Name. So with the File Name field, I'm able to include the file name only, the path only, or in my case, I want to include the path and file name in my plot stamp. So I'm simply going to say OK, and AutoCAD is going to add that information right here to that piece of multi-line text. Now, in addition to knowing where the drawing is located, I'd also like to know who last plotted it and when they actually plotted it as well. So we can accomplish this with fields as well. So I'm simply going to return to the Field button here in the Ribbon tab. And this time, instead of Document, what I'm interested in are the fields included under the Plot Field category. So here you can see I have a number of different things that I can report on, and among these include when it was plotted, so I can choose the plot date. In my case, I'll pick a simple format here that will include the month, day, year, and the actual time plotted, and I'll say OK. And then in addition to that, I can say by, and I will go ahead and pick on field once again and choose the login of the person who plotted this. So I'll say OK. And when I close my text editor and then close my block editor, you can see I have now added this plot stamp to my title block, and it will be included in any sheet that's plotted using this block.